All right, what's up, insiders? I'm Hamza, a product activation manager at YouTube, and today we're here with Thomas, or TK, who heads up the YouTube Partner Program. We're here to talk about mid-rolls and some improvements we're making to the experience. TK, welcome back to Creator Insider.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, you're a seasoned pro.
Yeah.
So what's happening with mid-rolls that creators should know about?
Mid-rolls are a very important source of earnings for creators.
Right.
And I want to let everybody know that starting in May 12th of this year, we're going to be improving the quality of mid-roll ads on YouTube. And what that means for creators is that we're going to be showing more mid-roll ads at natural breakpoints, like a pause or a scene transition. But at the same time, that means we're going to be showing fewer ads where it's very interruptive. Because one thing we see is that when you interrupt the action sequence or we add an ad in front of a middle of a sentence, viewers abandon the video, and that's something we don't want.
Okay, so sounds like a win.
Yeah.
More viewer retention and an increase in the overall mid-roll revenue opportunity for creators.
I think so, yeah.
But creators today use mid-rolls differently.
Yep.
For instance, some use automatic mid-rolls and some manually place them. So how does this change affect creators in these two different scenarios?
Yeah, so if you're a creator that only uses automatic mid-rolls for your videos, just stop watching this video right now because this change doesn't impact you at all. Just keep doing what you're doing. If you're a creator where you place manual mid-rolls, we're gonna be launching a couple new features this week to help you get ready for the change coming in May. So first, we're giving you feedback in YouTube Studio. So this new feature will show you if any of your manual mid-roll ads or slots are considered interruptive, so you can make changes as needed to place them somewhere with a natural break instead.
Great, so we're helping creators adjust any interruptive mid-rolls so they can best monetize their content.
Yeah, exactly. The second thing we're gonna be launching this week is a feature that allows you to add both automatic and manual ad slots on any mid-roll eligible video. So what that means is that creators in the past had to choose between auto or manual mid-rolls, and now we're gonna give you the option to do both. And so what that means is that you place manual mid-rolls in place that you think might work, but if our systems find a better break somewhere that's more natural, it'll do that and automatically place an ad there as well. And that ensures that we better balance where viewers will feel less interruption, but also make sure that we have more ad opportunities as well.
Got it, okay. That all makes a lot of sense for new uploads.
Yeah.
But what about existing uploads?
Yeah. So with existing videos, creators who've placed manual mid-rolls in their existing videos, we will by default opt you into putting auto on top, right? And that being said, creators can opt out of that if they want. I will tell you though that we ran a small experiment in July of 2024, and one thing we've observed is that creators that turned on auto on top of their manual slots saw a 5% increase in revenue. And again, that's because you may choose certain ad slots by yourself in your manual controls, but by adding auto on top, it lets our systems find potentially better breaks. And if you do that, again, it increases your ad opportunity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So what about videos that don't have mid-rolls today? Are you going to go back and add a bunch of mid-rolls on them?
No.
Okay.
Listen. You're only adding automatic ads to videos that have manual mid-roll slots. Okay. We will not be overriding your controls there.
Okay, great. So that's wonderful. And just to be explicitly clear, I know you mentioned this, but are we taking away any controls from creators?
No. Creators,
Okay.
we are not taking away any controls.
Okay.
You have control whether you want to turn on mid-roll ads, turn off mid-roll ads, where you want to place them. All we're giving you is more features to help you optimize those and give you more options.
All right. I mean, this all sounds great. So an opportunity for creators who have previously placed manual mid-rolls to earn even more with the addition of auto mid-rolls, and a heads up where they might need to adjust interruptive mid-rolls so they're still shown once we raise the mid-rolls quality bar.
Correct,
yeah. Okay, so now if you could tell creators, you look directly into the camera and tell creators exactly what they had to do, what would it be?
Yeah, it's okay. So again, if you're a creator that only does auto mid-rolls, thank you for watching this video this long, but you didn't need to because nothing changes for you. So keep doing what you're doing. Our systems are optimizing it. If you're the kind of creator that actually is very thoughtful and spends a lot of time figuring out, I want to put the mid-roll just right there. That's like a natural break point. I don't want the mid-rolls to interrupt this part of it. The only thing I tell you is use our new feature, and then the feature will give you feedback that where you place the ad, maybe you want to adjust a little bit, and that will make sure that you continue to get your ad opportunities. Now, there's also these creators, and I know some of you do this, that try to maximize your revenue opportunity by placing ads like every minute, every 2 minutes. And the only thing I want to tell for those folks is that because we are going to be serving fewer ads in interrupted places, there's a chance that without changing some of what you're doing, you may see some decreases in revenue. So for you, again, one, use our feedback tool to see which of those slots are interruptive, so you could adjust them. You could also use our auto on top, so that while you have placed different manual slots, if our auto feature finds a better slot, then we'll place an ad there, and that will again make sure that you're continue to get ad opportunities there as well. So
okay, got it. So just to kind of wrap it all up, so that's automatic mid-rolls on top of manual mid-rolls.
Yep.
You can use a feedback tool to tell you if your manual placements are good or bad.
Right.
And then you can opt out your content if you choose.
Correct.
From us adding auto on top of their manual.
That's right. And again, the changes are coming in May, so we're giving you about 3 months to adjust what you're doing, change your ad settings, change your content strategy so you're creating more natural breaks. So we're giving you 3 months to go through this transition.
Amazing.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks, TK, for coming on the show. It's always great to have you here, and we appreciate your willingness to explain these.
Yeah, always love to talk money with creators. So
yeah, and insiders, as always, leave your comments and questions below. We love to hear from you.